हेलो व्यूअर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। कल हमने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था कि कुछ सिलेबस की हम बातें करेंगे और आज उस प्रॉमिस को निभाने का समय है। आज हम बात करेंगे +2 क्लास के सिलेबस की, जिसमें हमारी फर्स्ट पोएम मैं आज उठाना चाहूँगा, माई मदर एट 66, एंड दैट पोएम इज़ रिटन बाय कमला दास। सो वी विल फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट कमला दास, पोइट कमला दास, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि कमला दास बॉर्न हुई 31 मार्च 1934 को। 1934 को बॉर्न हुई और डाइड हुई ये 31 मई 2009 को। इट मीन्स द टोटल टाइम स्पेन ऑफ कमला दास was 75 years. Okay, first thing you must know. And there is also a similarity between these two dates. The first one both starts with M. March born, May died. Okay, total lifespan was 75 years of Kamala Das. Second thing, she was born in Kerala. You know very well about the Kerala and Malabar district. The name of the district was Malabar, and at that time the presidency was Madras Presidency. Under the Madras Presidency she was born. The uncle name of Kamala Das was Narayan Menon, who used to be a writer actually, and the mother name of Kamala Das was Balmani Amma. So Balmani Amma was the name of the mother of Kamala Das. Next we'll talk about got married at the age of 15. She got married. Actually she was very laborious child. She used to work very hard with her mother, and her mother, the lifestyle of her mother actually a huge impact on the life of Kamala Das. She was very much inspired by her mother, and at that time girls used to get married very soon. So she got married at the age of 15, and in the same age she starting writing poems. It means it's very early, you can understand it. It's very early. At the age of only 15 she started writing poems. Whole night after the kitchen work she used to write in kitchen, and whole night she used to work. There is a word I have mentioned here, whole night. Okay, so it shows that how laborious she was. And pen name Madhavi Kutti. Actually she wrote so many things under the pen name Madhavi Kutti. Do you know the pen name? Actually that time was male dominated society, and people used to read very less the articulations and the poetry and dramas and novels which were written by females. Female writer was very much disliked, you can say, at that time. So she chose actually a Madhavi Kutti, a pen name, and under this pen name she writes so many things there. Next we will take about, later on translated in 15 languages. Now the third next part is also write autobiography. She also write my autobiography, My Story. The name of that autobiography is My Story, and it was translated in 15 languages. 15 languages, dear students. Notice that. You can understand how much love she attained by the people at that time. Some other writings I am going to talk about. The Sirens in 1964, Summer in Calcutta 1965 here, The Old Playhouse and Other Poems 1973. 64 and 1965 simultaneously she write so many other poems and other writings in English. The points to be noted here: first Indian English writer. She was first Indian English writer, and she also got the Nobel Prize for all his writings. So this is all about the Kamala Das. In very short I have mentioned all these things. You can make notes of such types so that you can remember it easily. In my second part I will talk about the detailed summary of the poem My Mother at 66. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. Bye.